Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to add your stop brokerage into TradingView chart. So first of all, you need to open your chart for your relevant stock. For example, I'm going to use BTC USD as our reference. And after that, you'll go into the chart platform workspace. And how to open brokerage, first you need to go to the trading panel down below. And at the trading panel, you can see there are different kinds of brokerage that can be used to be synchronized in TradingView. So basically, all these display platform only can be used in TradingView. Other than that, you need to make external trading, so it can't be synchronized. So basically, you can synchronize like Bybit, Binance. You can search for your relevant brokerage at here, and also you also can use paper trading if you want to start trading in Forex, BitCoin, or even stock. So basically, you can start paper trading, and it will help to stimulate sample. I mean the stimulator. So basically, you can trade first before you start your journey. Yeah. So if you want to start using TradingView, you can just check the description down below. Thank you.